Hey guys, it's my birthday. I just woke up and it's 6 a.m. right now, and you might be wondering, why in the world am I waking up at 6 a.m. on my birthday? Well, first of all, it's Sunday. Second of all, it's daylight savings, so we gained an hour actually. So and third, today I'm gonna be leading worship at my church, so I have to get there early. So yeah. So first we need to separate the yolk from the egg. I'm making souffle pancakes. I hope I don't mess this up. I'm not gonna record everything because I have a limited storage, so I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description if you want. We're gonna wanna sieve the flour, mix it really well, because this is so disappointing. I know it deflates in size, when you leave it alone, but I need to go shower. I only have 20 minutes. I'm gonna be so honest. Usually I make my bed before leaving, but I don't think I got the time for that. I want to wear these bows with my outfit, but I have nothing to wear it on. So I think I'm just gonna tape it on, because I don't know what else to do. I mean, why would I tape it on? Yeah, you can see how messy my room is. Yeah, I know. Okay, I came up with a brilliant idea. I did this. Hopefully it actually stays. It probably won't, but I just got back from church. It's noon right now, and yeah, I have to take off my clothes because I am not wearing all this until evening, because I'm gonna go back to church in the evening. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I do have some slime and I wanted to add water to it to make water slime.
Wow. So
I actually might do that after I change. So yeah. Okay guys, I keep on getting happy birthday messages. I appreciate it so much. So I'm gonna take out the slime. It's kind of gray. It's kind of overactivated a little bit. But we're gonna put water a little bit, just a little bit, and we're gonna mix it in. Okay, I was mixing it. It kind of looks like gray noodles, but slime. I'm gonna add some more water. Wait, why does this actually look so cool? Okay, I don't know what it looks like. It just looks cool. I'm gonna be honest, I think I added too much water. I don't think it's enough water actually. I'm gonna add some more, just a little bit more. Yeah, this is perfect. As you can see, it's so jiggly right now. Oh my goodness, I spilled some. Oh no. I am gonna be painting now. I literally just realized, I mean, I have everything on my table, but I'm not really prepared, so I need to get some water. This is currently the painting I'm working on, and I need a reference because I actually don't know what to draw. Or not draw, why did I say draw? I don't know what to paint because it's on my phone, and the phone is the only place I can actually record. So I think I'm just gonna paint the blue sea, or I kind of wanted to do that last. Yeah, I kind of want to do that last. I'm gonna paint the rocks. So this is where I left off. Why is my camera blurry? Okay, so this is where I left off. I'm gonna go start to take out the trash because I have to do that before I go to church again. So yeah. Guys, I just got home from church. I wish I was able to vlog everything, but I completely forgot. I was so focused on just like having fun. But yeah, today was a pretty fun day. I mean, it wasn't as big as my last birthday. I'm just glad about everything that happened today. I'm glad that I got to see some of my friends and I was able to do stuff for church. Like, but my bracelet broke. It matches with this necklace and it broke. I'm so sad. Why? Bro, why is it breaking?